recharge your sleep at night.
But maybe something we gotta throw this in.
Certain copper in the body.
That's what causes
People go to bed at night, their head's going like this, they can't fall asleep. One of the reasons they have too much copper is they don't have enough zinc. It makes the body what zinc is in these bottles. I said, no, there's a lot to talk about. So we don't even have to go there, but our main focus is, okay, so this sleep is really, really important. It's very critical to what's going on. Then we'll talk about
wrinkles.
that's like what the avocado, nitric acid, in the body. We're also going to talk about yogurt, which causes glycation in your skin. And then finally, we're going to end up with obesity as the leading cause of death.
What does yogurt do?
Yeah, but listen.
What rate?
20 seconds.
It's called glycation. It's a test question.
10 seconds.
Right.
I know my allergies are horrible right now.
So you've been eating adjustment.
Yes.
C2
right
on the
now.
left.
3,
Will that help my allergies?
2,
Well, it does.
Really?
Become smaller.
I shot her. All right. If you feel like your battery needs a recharge, natural health doctor, Dr. Bob DeMaria, is here to help us. How are you, sir?
I'm doing awesome. I'm hungry watching that pizza. I think I might even go there and check it
Yeah, you don't
out.
want me throwing your pizza. First of all, I just want to know, is this Andrew's coffee right here?
It is. I was going to fill the spaghetti squash in too, but
Okay. No.
we just got to go with that.
All right. Okay. We're talking about recharging our batteries, and it's what we put in and what we don't that makes us tired, lethargic, and age faster, right?
You know, aging has to do with restoration, and sleeping at night is important.
Okay.
So our bodies are like a battery.
Would you say that's the number one thing, is getting enough sleep?
Getting enough sleep, as far as long-term health, getting enough sleep, and keeping your weight down.
Okay. All right.
But our bodies are exactly like a battery. Sleep is the battery charger. That's really important. People don't get enough sleep at all.
Well, no, they don't, and a lot of it is because they can't sleep.
And there's a lot of reasons why people can't sleep. So in our time together, I want to just briefly share with everybody if they have too much copper in their body. So here's the person. Their body's exhausted, but their brain's going 1,000,000 miles an hour. Does that sound like you?
Yeah.
1,000,000 miles an hour all the time. Well, you could have high copper.
Okay, how do we get high copper?
So we get high copper because we don't have enough zinc. We get depleted of zinc because we eat too much wheat. Now this is a real big physiology.
Okay.
So if you eat a lot of wheat, like if you go for pizza a lot, I'm not saying anything against pizza, but it can deplete your body of zinc. If you look at your nails, you should not have white spots in your nails. Would you pass the test?
I passed the test.
You don't want
bridges.
You don't want large pores on your face, and that's a sign of a zinc deficiency also.
Okay.
Large pores on the face. Now, what I brought here is, I want you to see there's gluten-free food. This is a gluten. So this is not going to harm your body when it comes to zinc. So that's one example. If your body's depleted in zinc, you're going to have too much copper. You're going to be doing this at nighttime. You're going to have a difficulty falling asleep at night.
All right. Now, does it matter, like, I'm going to eat an English muffin or a bagel or something. If I have that in the morning, does it still have that effect at night? Is it like caffeine?
Over time, if you have bagels and you continue to eat wheat products and soy products, it will deplete your body of zinc.
Okay.
The number one deficiency in females is a lack of zinc. Number one.
Really?
Really,
All right.
honest to goodness
Okay,
truth.
so can we just take zinc supplements and keep eating the way we are?
I would suggest that you minimize your wheat products, especially if you have white spots in your nails and you have challenges at night where your head is doing this, remember? So you're going to go to bed tonight and you're going to say to your husband, is my head doing this? If it does, just hold it.
Just hold it. All right, okay, so we've got that taken care of. Now, wrinkles.
Wrinkles.
You have some interesting thoughts on wrinkles and what they're
Well, it's not just my thoughts. This is common knowledge for healthcare providers that are really proactive. There's a process, and this is a test question, called glycation. Glycation is when protein and sugar come together, causes wrinkles in your skin. There happens to be a plastic surgeon in the Cleveland area that wrote an article in the Plain Dealer that said she will not do surgery on a woman's face if they eat yogurt, because yogurt has more sugar in it than ice cream. Dr. Nick Perricone, who wrote the book The Wrinkle Cure, he talks about it also. Glycation.
But what about our female parts? We're supposed to eat yogurt for that.
So what I would suggest that you do for your
Totally
face
that.
is avocado. I'm answering your question with a question.
Okay.
Avocados are awesome. Avocados are a great source of fat. One time we should do a mask with each other on the program.
Okay.
We'll do like little finger paint.
But how do we get the probiotics that are the good things of yogurt?
Well, your body naturally always will have good unless you've taken an antibiotic, but we supplement with a specific product called Floramed, which is going to recolonate your body with good bacteria.
Okay.
Now, what I have in my hand is something called alpha-lipoic acid, big name. Alpha-lipoic acid is a great antioxidant. Avocados are a great source of fat. You could actually take one of these capsules and put it in some of the avocado and make it as a mask.
Really?
You can.
All right.
It's kind of interesting. You know, my wife and I, we ride our bikes early in the morning, and we have this lady. She had a mask on the other day. I couldn't believe it.
Was she on her bike too?
Well, she was walking her dog. I don't know if she's watching us right now, but
She was wearing a mask?
she was early in the morning.
Richard Nixon mask?
No, a mask, you know, a facial
Okay.
mask.
Outside.
Now, here's something else. It all comes down to fire.
Yes.
Sugar causes fire. Fire is inflammation.
Okay.
But the leading cause of natural or premature death is obesity.
Yeah.
People getting overweight.
Yeah. So how do we keep our weight under control?
Well, first you're going to want to drink water, eat vegetables, stay away from high fructose corn syrup, because high fructose corn syrup eliminates a hormone in your body called leptin.
Okay.
See, when you're overweight, one of the leading causes of death is blood sugar issues. That's why I brought this AccuCheck. Obesity, most diabetics are overweight, but not all overweight people are diabetics. Cancer and heart disease, it all comes down to obesity. So you want to drink water, eat vegetables, eat protein. You know what? Exercise. Exercise.
I've been doing it for 2 years now. Who knew?
Every day. You should exercise at least 20 minutes every day.
Dr. Bob DeMaria,
Thank you.
we'll have all of your tips on our website.
Thank you so much.
And how about a chance to escape from your reality and indulge in a love story? The new movie Bright Star is about the romance between poet John Keats and Fanny Braun. There's a preview screening next Tuesday.